Welcome to Manila, the vibrant and fast-growing capital of the Philippines, a city filled with history, culture, and the everyday stories of Filipinos. This is Intramuros, the historic old city that preserves Manila's Spanish-era heritage. Manila's jeepneys are iconic, colorful symbols of Filipino creativity and daily life. Makati and BGC are major business centers in Metro Manila. These districts are home to banks, global companies, and modern development that help drive the country's economy forward. One of the most visited places is Rizal Park, also called Luneta Park. It is peaceful and meaningful spot dedicated to Dr. Jose Rizal, the national hero of the Philippines. Visitors come here to relax, learn, and appreciate the country's history. Manila offers delicious local food, from sweet halo to popular street snacks. As the day ends, Manila continues to shine with its beautiful sunsets and lively nightlife. This city is full of life, color, and stories waiting to be discovered. Come and explore the heart of the Manila, Philippines.